mkono. Asante sana ambazo umetenda kwa muda huu yote. Asante kabisa. Ndio. Asante tena.
You will get pension on a monthly basis. Part of your salary, there is a way out, will be divided and you will get that. Don't waste it. Invest your money in profitable ventures.
Remember, you are going now to prepare for your last journey on earth. The time for you to prepare for your final journey on earth has come. You cannot run away from this. We cannot run away from it because it is there. The question is, how prepared are you to leave this world?
Ndagire sana. Lieutenant Colonel Charles Godfrey Bainomugisha. Colonel Fred Ochen.
Nebaza nnyo amaje okuntuusa wano wendi kubanga singa tegabadde maje experience gyendina n'obukulembeze bwenze nga nfuna nga kuva mbusomesa bwembadde nfuna amasomo genfuna kintu kya muwendo nnyo.
Anyufu nnyo okulaba nti nfunye omukisa oguwummula emirimu gino egy'amagye honorable. Kana katabo document y'amaanyi nnyo yemu ku certificate gyengenda okwenyumirizaamu mu bulamu.